going on? I'm Steve. Hope you're doing amazing today. We're going to learn Space Oddity. It's not Space Odyssey by David Bowie in under 3 minutes. So let's just, get right to it. It's a crazy song. I'm not going to do all of it because it's, it's really wild. I think they were smoking something back then. So C major, ground control to major tom, E minor. I'm really going to teach you 3 parts. C, ground control, E minor. I just love those 2 notes, those 2 chords together. Then it goes A minor, take your protein pills, G major, and then D major, but you put your thumb right here. It adds a little bass note right there. Cool, and it does it again. C major to E minor. Commencing countdown, engines on, E minor, A minor, G. There's the D with that 2nd fret at that low note. And then, when it, does something in the middle right there. This is sort of a crazy lesson because it's a crazy song. Then it goes, this is ground control to major tom, all that stuff. E 7th. Cool. It really made the grade. F major. And the F minor papers that you see, beware. F minor, C if you dare, F major, and it does it again. This is ground control, C major, E 7th, F, and an F minor, and a C, most peculiar way, F major, and the F minor, C today, and F major. And now here's the last section I'm going to teach you. Actually, 2 more. It goes F major, but you try to remove the E. Now I play the F major with my thumb, which allows you to go like this. Here, E minor, F major, E. That's a B flat to A minor, and there's G, nothing I can do, F major, and then last one, it goes like this. C, F, G, A, pretty cool. So C, F, G, that little pop right there. And then it goes into that F major again. And you can get out your saxophone or whatever that instrument was. Anyway, this song has like a million more chords and journeys right there. That's why it's a Space Oddity. Or they were, again, on some sort of high drugs that, Anyway, I'm going to quit yapping. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I'll catch you later.